Students, this is class number 17. In that last class, I explained about complement of a set. Complement of a set. Already I explained. Let us recall. So rectangle means a universal set. This is a set A. Set A. Set A, this one is A dash, A dash. A dash. Complement, so the complement A dash is equal to U minus A, U, full rectangle means U. Full rectangle means U minus A. Subtract this set A from that full A. Remaining part is, look at that, I marked with lines. So marked with lines is A dash. Shaded part is A. Clearly A and A dash are disjoint sets. What are A and A dash? Disjoint sets. So remember the following. First one, so A union A dash. A union A dash. You only tell me that, students, if I combine both A and A dash, I am going to get that full rectangle. What is that full rectangle means? It is U, universal set. A union A dash is also always universal set. U, universal set. Universal set. So second one, so right. Second one, so A dash O dash is always A. So look at this, A dash. A dash means, so you will get this line marked part. I marked with lines. We will get A dash. Complement of A dash, it is A dash O dash. Complement of A dash. Complement of A is A dash. Complement of A dash is A. Complement. So right, U minus A. Third property. A intersection A dash is always fine. Look at that, both the sets. From the diagram, you can easily observe set A and set A dash are completely distinct sets. Disjoint means there will be no common element. Common element won't be available from A and A dash. Set A matte set A dash disjoint sets are. Disjoint sets means no common elements. Common elements idre joint sets. Common elements illa andre disjoint sets. A intersection A dash is always fine. Always fine. Empty set, that implies A and A dash are disjoint sets. A and A dash are disjoint sets. So next property. So A union B O dash. Remember this property. A union B O dash is always equal to A dash intersection B dash. So what is A union B O dash? Is always equal to A dash intersection B dash. So fine. A intersection B O dash. So tell me that union becomes intersection. Intersection becomes union. So A dash union B dash. A dash union B dash. Last property, pi dash is equal to U. U means universal set. Universal set. So universal set. Pi dash is equal to U. Pi dash is equal to full U. U dash is equal to pi. So U dash is equal to pi. U dash is equal to pi. I hope you people understood this property, students. A union B O dash. So De Morgan's laws. These laws are called as De Morgan's laws. So De Morgan's laws. De Morgan's laws. So right. I hope you understood these properties. So remember the following. A dash is equal to U minus A. That you know very well. A union A dash. A union A dash will get universal set. So complement of complement is set itself. A intersection A dash is pi. Pi means empty set. No common elements from both A and A dash. It is so clear. So next, A union De Morgan's laws. Pi dash is U, U dash is pi. Now let's go for solving problems on this, students. Let us move on to solve problems on this. So right. Students, let us solve this simple question. Set U, universal set is given, set A given, set B given, and asked to find out these things. Let us find one by one. Solution A dash. A dash means except the elements of A. A elements ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಉಳಿದಿದ್ದು ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅಥವಾ U minus A. U minus A. Subtract A from U. ನೀವು ಹೇಗಾದ್ರೂ ಮಾಡಿ. A dash ಅಂದ್ರೆ A ಅಲ್ಲಿರೋದು ಬಿಟ್ಟು. A ಅಲ್ಲಿರೋದು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿರೋದು? U ಅಲ್ಲಿರೋದು. So right, tell me elements of A dash. So 1, it is not there in A. A ಇರಬಾರ್ದು. So 1. So 2 it is there in A. You should not write. A ಅಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಟು 2 3 ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. So 4 5 6. This is A dash. Next you find out B dash. B dash. So B dash. B dash means except the elements of B. So remaining elements from U. Except 3 4 5. You write remaining elements of U. So write, tell me that. So 1 2 3 it is there in B, should not write. 4 it is there in B, should not write. 5 it is there in B, should not write. 6 B aliro elements na bittu. 3 4 5 bittu. 3 4 5 bittu. You correct 1 2 6. Or B dash is equal to U minus B. U in the B na minus ಮಾಡಿ. U in the B minus ಮಾಡೋದು ಹೆಂಗೆ? ಅವನು ಬಿಡೋದಂತ. Minus means leaving. You leave these elements, right? I got B dash. Next, you find out A dash intersection B dash. A dash intersection B dash. Intersection means finding common elements. Collecting common elements from both A dash and B dash. Tell me common elements. So 1 is common. Any other common from both A dash and B dash? No, we don't have. Yes, we have one more. 1 is common, 4 is not common, 5 is not common, 6 is common. 6. A dash intersection B dash. So we got A dash intersection B dash. Now you find out A union B. So A union B. So A union B, so right, A union B, union, A union B, so right, uniting means collecting both from elements from both A and B. So 2, so 3, 4, 5. Now let's go for proving that A union B O dash. So A union B O dash. A union B. This is A union B. A union B O dash ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇವಿಷ್ಟನ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅಂದ್ರೆ U minus A union B. ಇದಿಷ್ಟನ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಟು 2, 3, 4, 5. So 2, 3, 4, 5. So remaining elements are 1, 6, 1, 6. ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಅದನ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. Room dash. If I say room dash, I should go outside. If I say outside dash, I should come inside. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ರೂಮ್ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಇರೋದು ಎಲ್ಲಾನು, ಈ ರೂಮನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಇರೋದು ಎಲ್ಲಾನು. ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಸೊ ಐ ಶುಡ್ ಕಮ್ ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್, ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್, ರೈಟ್. A union B or dash. Except 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. I should correct 1, 6 for A union B order. So you call this as equation number 1. This is 1. This is 2. So from 1 and 2, are they equal or not equal? Equal. De Morgan's laws are true. De Morgan's laws holds good. Right? So this implies A union B O dash is always equal to, you observe both 1 and 2, are they equal or not equal? Equal. A dash intersection, so B dash. A dash intersection B dash. I hope you understood, students. Let us go for solving one more question. So right. Look at this one more simple question, students. That first question I only explained. Second one you solve on your own. You solve this second question by yourself at home. I won't solve. Look at that question carefully. I won't solve that second question, students. You find the complements of the following. Just finding dash complements. Finding complements means finding A dash, B dash, C dash and D dash. Now I go for explaining that first one. First one, second one, both are easy only. So right. So now look at this. So explain this. A dash solution. First one, A dash except these elements. So write 1, it is in A, should not write. 2, it is in A, should not write. 3, it is in A, should not write. 4, again it is in A, I should not write. 5, this is not there in A. 6, 7, 8, 9, this is A dash. A dash ಅಂದ್ರೆ A ಇಂದ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಬನ್ನಿ. ಎ ಇಂದ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಬನ್ನಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು? ಯುಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ, ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಲ್ ಸೆಟ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಸೊ ರೈಟ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್. ಸೊ ಬಿ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಎಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ 2, 4, 6 ಸೆಟ್. ಸೊ 1 ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ದೇರ್ ಇನ್ ಬಿ. ಸೊ 2 ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದೇರ್. 3 ನಾಟ್ ದೇರ್. 3 ನಾಟ್ ದೇರ್ ಇನ್ ಬಿ. 4 ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದೇರ್. 5 ನಾಟ್ ದೇರ್ ಇನ್ ಬಿ. 6 it is there. 7 is not there in B. 8 it is there in B. 9. B dash except the elements of B. You collect remaining elements from U. So 1 illa B alli, 2 ide baribadu, 3 illa barkoli, 4 ide barkobadu, 5 illa barkoli, 6 ide baribadu, 7 illa barkoli, 8 ide baribadu, 9 illa barkoli. This is B dash. Next A union C O dash. You calculate A union C. Second one. So third one So A union C, union of A and C. So right, A union C, collect 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we got the A union C. Union means writing all the elements A union C. So next complement, A union C complement O dash, except these elements you write elements from A. 1 is there, everybody. 2 it is there, 3 it is there, 4 it is there, 5 is also there, 6 is also there. So tell me elements except these from you. So it's 7, 8, 9. I think it is 7, 8, 9. ಇವನ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಉಳಿದಿದ್ದು ಯು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿ. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Except these elements. So the remaining elements from you are 7, 8, 9. I got that. A union C O dash. Next you find out. So A union B O dash. A union B O dash. So right. So right. A union B. First let us find out A union B. So union means uniting. Uniting means collecting from both A and B. A union B. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So next 6, 8. This is A union B. A union B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8. Next to find its complement. So A union B O dash. So A union B O dash complement. Except these elements you write. 1 is there, everybody. 2 it is there, don't collect. 3 it is there, don't collect. 4 is there, don't collect. 5 it is not there. 5 it is not there, collect. For A union B O dash. 6 it is there, don't collect. 7 it is not there, collect. 8 it is there, don't collect. 9. Except A union B, ಇವನ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಯಾವನ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಟು 1 ಅನ್ನು ಬಿಡಬೇಕು, 2 ಅನ್ನು ಬಿಡಬೇಕು, 3. Leave this 3. So don't consider 4, don't consider 6, don't consider 8. Remaining are 5, 7, 9. So we got that. Next B minus C O dash. B minus C O dash. So right. So B minus C. So find out B minus C. Subtracting C from B. B ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕು, C ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬಾರ್ದು. B ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕು, C ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬಾರ್ದು. B ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕು, C ಅಲ್ಲಿ. B ಇಂದ C ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Right? 2, it is there in B. Is it there in C? No. Write that. So 2, B minus C. B ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕು. Elements of B which are not in C. 2 it is in B, not in C. 4 it is in B as well as in C. Don't write it. 6 it is in B as well as in C. Don't correct it. 8 it is in B, not in C. Not in C. Don't think reversely. If you think reversely, totally you will be in confused state. B minus C ಅಂದರೆ B ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕು, C ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬಾರ್ದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಕೆಲವು ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, C ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದು B ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ. ಟೋಟಲಿ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. B ಅಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಇದೆ, C ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. B minus C ಅಂದರೆ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ B ನೇ, C ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬಾರ್ದು, C ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬಾರ್ದು ಆ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಸೊ 2 it is in B, so it is not there in C. 4 it is in B, it's also there in C. Don't write. 6 it is in B as well as in C. Don't write. 8 it is in B, it is not there in C. Right? Correct. This is B minus C. Complement. This implies B minus C O dash. Complement of B minus C O dash. ಇವನ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇವನ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಟು u only, except 2 and 8. Except 2 and 8, you write all the elements. So 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, except 2 and 8. Dash means outside of b minus c. Except 2 and 8. 2 ಮತ್ತೆ 8 ಬಿಡಿ, 7, 9, 9. Next, a dash or dash. A dash or dash. You all know that very well. It is a only. So do that. A only. A dash or dash. Last one. So tell me a dash. A dash. A you bit. You all know 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 bit. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is a dash. Except the elements of a 1, 2, 3, 4 bit. Will bit of 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So a dash or dash. A dash or dash. ಮತ್ತೆ again you go for finding complement of this. ಇವನ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಟು 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 ಬಿಡಿ. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಉಳಿದಿದ್ದೇನು 1, 2, 3, 4. Except 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So tell me remaining elements. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. This is nothing but a only. It is nothing but a only. So that's why we go for writing a dash or dash is always a. Is always a. So write